My name is Dr. Kumud Rai, and I serve as the chairman of ECHO India, a not-for-profit trust that works towards the skilling and capacity building of healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, ANMs, and ASHAs and others, especially in the underserved areas of the country. It gives me a great pleasure to send this message on the occasion of Nurses' Day on the 12th of May. The core values of the nursing profession, selfless service, care, compassion, and comfort, have stood the test of time since the days of Florence Nightingale. However, in the 21st century, especially in the COVID era, these values have been redefined a bit. Selfless service continues under these most trying circumstances, but needs to be compensated for by the society. Gratitude and appreciation by the patients, their caregivers, and society at large is the first step to encourage it. Adequate financial compensation would follow. Care for the COVID patient, especially those in COVID ICUs, requires a superhuman effort. And I'm proud to say that the nurses of the country have demonstrated this adequately. Compassion, as evinced by a gentle touch, a smile, and a mere act of attending to the patient, medical and psychologically, puts a huge demands on our nurses. They have done an outstanding job in managing this. Finally, the comfort which accrues to the patient because of these seemingly routine acts is really priceless. The theme for the nursing fraternity in 2021 is a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. There cannot be a more appropriate statement than this in the current times. That said, an unspoken voice of the nurses is leading the fight against COVID in the hospitals. Nurses are the true leaders in dispensing COVID cares in the institutional setting. And this is truly the vision for future. A nurse trained and empowered in every way as we imagine the future of healthcare. My genuine appreciation and best wishes to all the nurses of the country. You make us proud. Thank you.